Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start inside your account. Open the Google Apps grid and pick Contacts so you're working in the right place. Once the Contacts app loads, use the search box to type a name or email. This narrows results faster than scrolling. If you don't see the person, make sure to toggle all contacts or use the More filters. These steps find archived or merged entries. Now that the correct contact is visible, pause here and get ready to edit the existing record. Click the contact to open its details, then choose Edit. You'll see all editable fields. Change name, add or remove email addresses and phone numbers, and use labels to keep records organized. These labels sync across Gmail. If you need to add a company, birthday, or custom field, pick Add Field and complete the entry, making sure phone numbers include country codes like +1. Once you've made changes, review for typos and consistent formatting. After editing, click Save so your changes propagate across Gmail, Drive, and mobile devices. Syncing usually happens automatically. If duplicates appear, use Merge and Fix to combine entries and keep a single authoritative contact. This prevents split email threads. If updates don't appear on your phone, sign out and back in. Clear app cache or verify contacts sync is enabled in account settings. If problems persist, check you edited the correct Google account and retry. That fixes most sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.